In this video we'll talk about a new feature in version 12 that allows you to bind data images to fields in a UX component. The UX component was previously called the dialog component in version 11. So you can see here that we have in this particular case it's a MySQL table that has a bunch of records, and one of the fields in the record is a blob which contains binary data for JPEG images. So currently I've bound this UX component to that table. I haven't got the image field here, but you can see that as I navigate with these buttons over here, I'm navigating through various records in the dialog. The way in which we set this up was using all of the genies that are available to us. So in the server-side events, we specified in the onDialog initialize, we specified a execute server-side action to get the primary keys, and then we went to data binding and we bound the UX component to the salespeople table over there. So now let's go and add in an image to display the image in that control. So we'll go over here, then we'll go to our data controls and we'll choose image, and we'll just call this image 1, and that's going to place an image on the component. But when we go to working preview, we're still not going to see any image over there because we haven't bound that image to the field in the corresponding record. So we'll go back now to our data binding properties and then go to binding, and this time we'll go here and we'll choose image, and we're going to bind that to the image blob field in the record. So we'll go there and click OK, and then click OK over here, and then save this, and now go to controls, and then let's take a look now at the properties for this control. So if we scroll down to data binding here, we can see that we've defaulted to an image type of JPEG, which in this case is correct. The blob field does contain JPEG data, but we could specify any of these options depending on what data type was actually stored in that binary field. So now that we have that, let's go over back to working preview and then go next, 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 next. So you can see now that as we scroll through the data, the binary blob field that's in the table is being bound to this image control over here. But when we go to the first record, we see that there is no image displayed, and we can see here that the first record doesn't have anything in the binary field. So let's go back now, and we'll go to the binary field there, and we'll specify that if there's no image found, we'd like to use one of the built-in images in Alpha 5, and we'll go here and we'll choose the missing person image. We'll choose this one over there, and now let's go ahead and save this and go back to working preview. So you can see now there's our first image, and then we can basically continue to scroll through the data. So there are additional options as well that are available to you. We can choose to scale the image on the server, which means that before the image is rendered and sent to the browser, the server will scale it. And then the other option is to actually embed the image in the HTML, and if you do that, the image data gets base64 encoded and then embedded directly into the HTML that gets rendered, which reduces the number of server round trips to fetch images. So this is a powerful new functionality in the UX component for working with data bound images. I hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you very much.